Hello everyone! August 19th. Today we celebrate humanitarian spirit, cultural heritage, and vintage vibes. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's World Humanitarian Day. A day to honor those who help others worldwide. A perfect gift could be a charity donation, a kindness toolkit, or a handmade thank you card. Who's someone you admire for their compassion? Celebrate them in the comments. Next, it's National Potato Day. A celebration of everyone's favorite versatile veggie. A thoughtful gift could be a potato-themed cookbook, gourmet fry sampler, or a punny kitchen towel. Mashed or roasted, cast your vote in the comments. Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's International Bow Day. A stylish tribute to a simple, charming accessory. A great gift could be a bow tie collection, ribbon hair clips, or a bow-making craft kit. Are you bold with bows? Snap a photo-worthy style and share it. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for September 21st to 25th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome!